Strip mismatch? Poor result accuracy. Check whether you've got these two steps right. Step 1. To achieve best-in-class accuracy, just follow the standard workflow. Apply the recommended mission parameters for fieldwork.
Meanwhile, checkpoint and base station elevations are determined by leveling survey, achieving millimeter-level vertical accuracy. For data processing, select Accuracy Optimization
And smooth in DJI Terra for the best result.
You may use third-party software, such as Terrasolid, for accuracy verification. Step 2. What if field conditions compromise the accuracy of your point cloud? Use Terrasolid to fix strip misalignment. Refine the quality of point clouds. Take one flight with 20 cm mismatches as an example. TerraMatch automatically searches for tie lines in overlapping areas, calculates errors between strips, sets the adjustment interval, and computes time-fluctuating correction. Apply the correction, and strip alignment significantly improved. When significant quality difference observed in multi-flights, you can use the most accurate flight as reference. Then apply the point cloud translation, rotation, and other corrections to fit to the reference. Even 50 cm mismatch can be eliminated with ease, delivering high-quality outputs.